Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to archive a post on Instagram. So archiving a post will kind of be like deleting it, except you can still find it on Instagram, just other people won't be able to see it. So I'll be showing you how to do that in this video today. So first go to Instagram and then go to your profile page. So click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now once you get here, go to the post that you want to archive. So I'll choose this random post that I uploaded for a previous video. And once you are here, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the post. Once you click on that, options will come up and one of them will be to archive. It'll just say archive. It should be the second option down, and if you click on it, then the post should disappear from your homepage. So if you want to unarchive it or look at your archived posts, click on the three bars on the top right corner, and then the third option down should be archive. That's where all your archived posts will go. And it should be in your archive. Now you might not see it at first because you might be in your stories archive or your live archive. But all you have to do is switch it to the photos archive and then you'll be able to see it. So to unarchive it, you just go to the post, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the post and click show on profile. And that's a unarchive post too. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.